How to change follow button to add friend button on Facebook profile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change follow button to add friend button on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you need to launch the Facebook application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to top left and tap on your profile icon. That's gonna take you to your profile page. Once you're here, if you tap on the three dots next to your profile name or under your profile and tap on View As, there you can see there is a follow button. Now, to change that to add friend button, hey, how you can do it. You can go back. Once you're on the profile settings page, make sure you have turned off the professional mode. If you're on your professional account, then you will see follow button. So to change it to add friend button, tap on turn off professional mode. Here tap on continue and here tap on turn off. Once you have turned it off successfully, tap on close. You can refresh your page, go back. Once you're here, again refresh your page once. After that, tap on the three dot icon and here tap on View As. There you can see the follow button is now changed to add friend button. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.